Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So do you want to make this amazing infographic in PowerPoint? Let me show you how to make this. First of all, what you're going to do is go to shapes. You're going to insert a triangle right here like this. Make it something like this, rotate it like this, and you're going to like change this upper like corner, something like this. You're going to put it into its place. The next thing you're gonna do is adjust it and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J, then rotate it and place it both on top of that first shape like this. Be sure to leave no spaces between both the shapes because that will create a very bad impression. So you're gonna change the color of the shape and you're gonna give it some pattern of the color like this, that the below color is darker, and then you're gonna like group it and go to form a background and change the color to black, and then you're gonna rotate the shape. You're gonna remove that shape that I have used. You're gonna like duplicate it and place it next to the first shape, rotate it and make it straighter like this. There you go. The next thing you're gonna do is duplicate it again and rotate that shape as well. You're gonna place it downwards. You're gonna select both of them and put them into the center. There you go. You're gonna rotate all of the shapes. And finally, the next thing we're gonna do is select each of them and ungroup them. And then we're gonna change their colors. First of all, let's ungroup the shape and select one of the shape of one of them, and we're gonna give it a dark color, and for the other part of the shape we're gonna give it a light color, something like this. There you go. Ungroup the shape as well. Change its color as well, and for this one we're also gonna ungroup it and give it some like different color. Let's use green for the shape. And there you go. So I have added all of the shapes. Now we're gonna insert a circle in the middle of all of the shapes, and then you're gonna like adjust its size and give it some gradient. And let's uh give it a gradient of two gradient stops, one gray and one white. Let's send it to the back. We're gonna duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. Control plus D is the key for is a shortcut key for like duplicating any shape in PowerPoint templates. You can use that template like that shortcut very easily. Next, you're gonna place a circle on top of the shapes in the middle and the center. You're gonna give it a preset. Next, you're gonna get like increase its blur size, and you're gonna duplicate it and place that circle on top of the first one, and that is how it looks. Now the next thing you're gonna do is adjust all of the shapes. You're gonna insert this line and you're gonna give it a like wider width, and you're gonna increase its width pt, and you're gonna change its color So I have added all of the text. Now we're gonna duplicate this template. And we're gonna select the text of one side, these three text blocks, and we're gonna move them onto the left side out of the template. There you go. And for the other three of the shapes, we're gonna move them onto the right side out of the template. And for the text box that are below and uppers, we're gonna send them below and uppers of the template. This is how it looks. For the remaining shapes in the circle, we're also gonna send them out of the template because we're gonna apply the morph transition here. After sending the shapes out of the template, the next thing we're gonna do is to go to transitions tab, and we're gonna select morph transition option, and from there that's how you give morph transition, and that was the final result. So if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and watch other videos as well. You can download this template for free from the link in the description, and it's completely for free.